Hello students of class 4. Let us continue the chapter Saving the Sparrow. Alright. So, last class what did we see in this lesson? Last class in this lesson we saw that Harilal saw the sparrow caught, isn't it? In the power line. And he went to school and he thought someone will save it. But when he came back from school, he saw it still stuck. Okay. So he was asking his mother, father, to save the sparrow. Alright. So now let us go next and see what happens. So saving the sparrow, today's date is the 31st. Let us see what happens next. He pleaded with his parents, okay, to find a way to save it, okay. Now let's see what happens next. But the power line is very high, his father pointed out. How are you going to reach it? Okay, his father told him, the power line is so high. How are you going to reach it? Okay. His mother pursed her lips and said, it is too dangerous. I will not let either of you go near the wire. So his mother pursed her lips, meaning brought her lips together in a round shape to express dislike, okay? And she said, it is too dangerous. I will not let any of you near the wire. Harilal was sobbing meaning crying, okay? His parents tried to comfort him. His parents were trying to make him okay, comfort him. But there seemed to be little they could do, okay? He was very, very sad. They could not make him okay. He was too sad. Harilal knew the bird would not live much longer. The thought did not allow him to rest. But slowly an idea began to take shape in his head. Okay, so Harilal knew that now no one is helping the bird. The bird will not live much longer. And this thought was not allowing him to rest. But slowly as he was thinking, another idea took shape in his head. Okay, he thought of a new idea. Soon after, Harilal cycled to the power station near his village. After that, what did Harilal do? He cycled to the power station. What is a power station? A place where power is produced and from where it is sent to the other places like homes, factories and so on. Okay. When Ram Bharos, the maintenance man, saw this young boy waving to him, he unlocked the gate and let him in. Harilal told him about the sparrow. So Harilal went to the power station. Alright. And when Ram Bharos, the maintenance man, okay, maintenance man meaning a person who can repair and maintain things, okay. When he saw this young boy waving at him, he unlocked the gate and let Harilal in. Harilal told him about the sparrow. Could you please switch off the power for a little while? He asked. So he is asking this man, maintenance man, that could he switch off the power for a little while. Who is asking him? Harilal. Alright. So Ram Bharos scratched his head. Okay, he is thinking. When he is scratching his head and thinking. Okay. Then he said, let's see. Maybe the supervisor can help. So he said, let's see. Maybe the supervisor can help. Who is the supervisor? A person who is in charge of something and makes sure that everything is done correctly. So Ram Bharos said that let's see. Maybe the supervisor can help. Okay. He took Harilal to a kind old man who was sitting at a desk. Harilal was tired and frightened. Okay. With tears in his eyes, he said, a sparrow is going to die because its foot is caught in the power line. If you can switch off the power, we can take the bird down. Please, you must listen to me. So, when Ram Bharos took Harilal to the old man, that old man was a supervisor, okay? He was a kind old man who was the supervisor, alright? He was sitting at his desk. Harilal was very tired and he was very frightened. With tears in his eyes, Harilal told the supervisor that a sparrow is going to die because its foot is caught in the power line, and he requested the supervisor that if you can switch off the power, we can take the bird down. And he said, please, 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 you must listen to me. Okay, let us see what happens next. The old man listened to Harilal patiently. Son, switching off the power is not going to be easy, he said. Think of the hospitals. What will happen to a patient who is in the middle of an operation? Okay, so the old man listened to Harilal very patiently, and then he told him that, son, switching off the power is going to be difficult. It's not going to be easy, because think of the hospitals. What will happen there? What will happen to the patient who is in the middle of an operation? How can we switch off the power? Okay. He stopped and looked into Harilal's sad eyes. Then he said, tell me your name, son. Also tell me where you live. He touched the boy's shoulder. You have a large heart, but it's time for you to return home. It's growing dark outside. So, what happened? He stopped and looked into Harilal's sad eyes, okay? And then he told Harilal that, tell me your name, what is your name, where do you live? And then he touched the boy's shoulder and he said, you have a large heart. Large heart meaning a very kind heart. But the supervisor told him that now it is time for you to go home. It is turning dark outside. You go home. Sad and helpless, Harilal returned home. Sometime near dawn, he woke up to loud noises. Okay. So he went home, and sometime near dawn, okay, he woke up and he heard loud noises. Okay, he could hear that something is happening, lots of loud noises. Okay, dawn means early parts of the morning. All right. Oi, Harilal, come out. Harilal shot out of his house. His heart was racing. So someone said, oi, Harilal, come out. Harilal shot out of his house. Shot out meaning ran out of his house. Okay. His heart was racing. Heart was racing meaning he was very excited because he was hopeful. He had seen 3 men. One of them was Ram Bharos. Alright, this much we will do today. We will continue with the lesson in the next class. I hope this much is clear to all of you. Let us come to the word meanings for today. Some difficult word meanings are given to you. You will learn it well and write it in your English literature copy. Pursed her lips, brought her lips together in a round shape to express dislike. Power station, a place where power is produced and from where it is sent to other places like homes, factories and so on. Maintenance man, a person who can repair and maintain things. Supervisor, a person who is in charge of something and makes sure that everything is done correctly. Have a large heart, are very kind. His heart was racing. He was very excited because he was hopeful. Alright students, thank you. That's all for today. Okay, please read how much I have taught you today. We will continue the lesson in the next class. Learn the word meanings well and write it in your English literature copy. Thank you and God bless you students.